Alright, we're going to finish assembly of this thing, the 60 volt dual stage Greenworks snowblower. So, and I say finish because most of this comes like completely assembled. But in order to get it out of the crate and wheel it out, I did have to put the control stack onto here. And the way that attaches, this kind of forks down this way, and it's kind of a concave piece of metal, fits right up against this. And then you line this up, line the holes up. Make sure that your screw heads are facing upwards and also going in from the inside to out. And also make sure that you've got there's a little concave washer here that goes on the outside. So there's 4 of those. That keeps this up, and then pretty much all that's left to do is assembling the chute. The chute assembly actually comes packaged off to the side, actually kind of stuffed into the back in the crate. There's a tightening knob on this thing, which I took off so I could wheel it off. So I've got to attach that. And then we got to put the so this is the control rod, which goes down here and will turn the chute all the way around. Okay, yeah, so the bar that supports the chute goes right here, and it should be flush here, and this should be flush against this gasket, although it's a little bit loose, probably because it rotates around that. Now I've taken this cover off to show you. This is the gear that when you turn the rod, it rotates this. But right now it's locked in position, and so we have to install that rod. So it goes through this loop, and then this spring mechanism needs to be in there. Now this right here, I believe, is the lock release. So what we need to do here is take this pin out, and this is going to join these together, and then put this pin back. Now, I believe that's correct. Now when I pull that out, unlocks it, and you can swing. Just gotta put the cap back on top, which goes up there. Yeah. Now we're talking. And by the way, I found the manual. It's in here. And hey, look at that, it comes with the Allen wrench that I needed.